Good morning and welcome to lesson 11 of Comp 231. You've done so well. Thank you for submitting your self-review and your peer review. I will get a chance to grade those and return those back to you this week. So, lesson 11, we're looking at two chapters. Chapter 12, which deals with persuasion, and chapter 15, which deals with special occasion speeches. Most of the focus, however, will be on chapter 12, and that is persuasion. So on Thursday, I will host a live team session. So if you'd like to attend that, and the purpose of the live team session is for you to ask questions about presentations. All the lectures are recorded, and so you can access those whenever you want to. All right, so read chapter 12 in the textbook, view the instructional videos, look at the PowerPoint, and complete the quiz. The first quiz that's covering chapter 12 on persuasion is due Thursday. Then read chapter 15, then in the textbook, view the instructional videos, review the PowerPoint lesson, and then for Sunday, complete the quiz covering chapter 15 of the textbook. At this point, we're getting ready for our final presentation in this course, and that is the persuasive speech. The persuasive speech is different from the informative speech in that the persuasive speech is one in which you take a stand and you persuade us to adopt an attitude, an action, to change our behavior. Some of you try to do that in the informative speech, and I told you don't choose a topic that lends itself to persuasion. And this is where that topic comes in, and choosing a topic that in which you take a stand and attempt to persuade us. We should legalize drugs, we should ban handguns, we should make more money available for college, whatever it is. Again, do not recycle an old paper. Those papers are written for the eye, not for the ear. And I can tell very quickly by your language usage that is a paper or an assignment that was done for another class. So what I want you to do is to write up a 200-word proposal, identifying the topic, your thesis statement, and your possible main points. That's due on Thursday. I will look at those on Friday morning and have it back to you by Friday afternoon, telling you, yay, you can proceed with that topic, or no, you cannot proceed with that topic. Okay? And then for Sunday, I want you to develop a Google Form survey of 10 questions that you're going to submit. As we did the last time, I've created a wiki and you can submit it on that wiki. Just a reminder that your questions need to help you find out what your audience knows about your topic, how they feel about it. So make your questions significant so that you can use the information to connect with the audience. There's no use doing a survey if you're not going to use it to connect with the audience and include it in your presentation. A number of you did not do that in the informative speech. So make sure that it is posted in that wiki by Sunday evening. And then lastly, the Monroe's Motivated Sequence format is a format that can be used or is very often used for persuasive speech. I don't require that you use it. I prefer rather that you follow the same format we have, using the same type of outline, and that we've used the same template for the persuasive speech. With the persuasive speech, the key here is sufficient logos and ethos and pathos. You need oral citations, and oral citations are not, these are my sources. That is not an oral citation. Highlight your sources as part of your credibility statement, but in the actual speech, you need to cite so that we have support for the points that you are making. If you have any questions, please do call. Hope you'll have a great week. Hang in there. We've done well. We're right near the end.